So once it comes to countertops, we have three different materials what clients normally can choose from. It's either the natural product, it's a granite or a marble. And then you have two other materials. Once it's a quartz stone, which is a man-made stone, or a ceramic stone. Normally you can use all three materials. Most often you would use a natural stone if you really would create a feature out of it. But if you're using this in areas where you cook, you normally would always take a quartz or a ceramic stone. I love ceramic stones because ceramic stones are becoming now so dynamic. It's actually a print which is becoming now so realistic to the natural stone, which I love to create a proper feature on a kitchen.